students, today we will continue our chapter number 4 named fraction. In today's class we will solve the exercise 4.4. बच्चे see, in 4.4 you have to find out the sum. बच्चे some fractions are given to you and you have to find out the sum of the given fractions. So बच्चे the first question of your exercise 4.4 is 2 by 9. Question number 1, 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. This is given to you and you have to calculate the sum. बच्चे see, these two fractions are like fraction because your denominator is same. और हमें पता है जब भी हमारे पास like fraction होता है हम क्या करते हैं, हम denominator को as it is लिख देते हैं. हमने लिख दिया बच्चे 9 is given, so we take 9 as our common denominator and after this we will add the value of numerators. See बच्चे it is 2 and 4, we have to add the value of a numerator, that is 2 plus 4, and what we get, 2 plus 4 gives us 6. It is 6 by 9. This is the required sum. After solving question number 1, we will do the next question. That is question number 7. In question number 7, what is given? 1 by 3 is given plus 3 plus 3 by 4. It is given to you. बच्चे सी हमने फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करना सीखा है बट 3 इज़ ए होल नंबर. 3 हमारा फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, ये क्या है, होल नंबर. सो फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट द होल नंबर इनटू फ्रैक्शनल नंबर. सी बच्चे इट विल बिकम 1 by 3 प्लस 3 by 1 प्लस 3 by 4. Now you will think, ma'am, why you are writing 3 as 3 by 1? बच्चे you can see if you divide 3 by 1 you again get 3. 3 by 1 is equals to 3. So you can write 3 by 1 in place of 3. After doing this, what will we have to do? We have to see these three fractions have different denominator. So we have to calculate the LCM of the denominator. So बच्चे LCM of denominator, LCM of 3, 1 and 4 is 12. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन था बच्चे, जब भी हमारे पास अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन गिवन हो और हमें एडिशन करनी है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर कैसे फाइंड आउट होता है बच्चे, जब हम डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम ले लेते हैं. जो एलसीएम आता है दैट बिकम्स आवर कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर एंड वी कैन सी 3, 1 and 4. LCM of 3, 1 and 4 is 12. So our common denominator is 12. So write common denominator, that is 12. And after doing this, what we will do? We will divide this common denominator with the denominator of the given fraction. See बच्चे 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 we get. After getting the quotient, what will we do? We multiply that quotient with the given numerator. That is 4 into 1, 4. Okay बच्चे, what I had done? 3 4s are 12. 4 into 1, 4. Symbol of plus I have to put here. Now see, 1 जब 12 को divide करता है, again you get 12. 1 12s are 12. 12 into 3, 36. Plus sign is given. Now 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 you get. 3 into 3 gives you 9. बेटा इसको आपको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. Now see बच्चे 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 1 carry plus this 3 you get 4 and this is 49 by 12 and you can see here your numerator is greater than your denominator. So the given fraction is improper fraction. given जो fraction है वो क्या है, improper fraction है. अगर आप इसे चाहे तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको mixed fraction में convert कर सकते हो. और mixed fraction में convert करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, numerator को denominator से divide. So बच्चे divide the numerator with given denominator. See बच्चे 12 4s are 48. Remainder here and this is your answer. 4 whole 1 by 12 is your answer. 4 whole 1 by 12 is the sum of the given fractions. After solving this question we will solve our next question, that is question number 8. See beta, in question number 8 4 whole 1 by 6 is given plus 2 whole 1 by 2 is given plus 1 whole 1 by 3 is given and you have to find out the sum. See बच्चे here first we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert it. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 6 प्लस 2 2 4, 4 + 1 5, 5/2 प्लस 3 1 3 प्लस 1 4/3. Now बच्चे we can see these are unlike fraction because denominator is different, and in case of different denominator, that is in case of unlike fraction, we have to find out the common denominator, that is our LCM of the given denominator. So LCM of 6, 2 and 3 is 6. Write it here and now solve. 6 1 जा 6, 1 into 25 gives you 25, plus 2 3 जा 6, 3 into 5 gives you 15, plus 3 2 जा 6, 2 into 4 gives you 8. and now add it. बच्चे हमने क्या किया है, हमने डिनोमिनेटर से कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड किया है. 6 1 जा 6, 1 यू गेट एज ए क्वोशेंट, उस क्वोशेंट के साथ आपने क्या किया है, न्यूमरेटर की मल्टीप्लाई. 6 1 जा 6, 1 into 25 25, 2 3 जा 6, 3 into 5 gives you 15, 3 2 जा 6, 2 into 4 gives you 8. now you have to add this. see बच्चे 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 carry, plus this 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, and this is 6. now बच्चे it is in the form of improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction or proper fraction. see बच्चे 6 1 जा 6, 6 8 जा 48. so बच्चे your answer is 8. the sum of the given fraction is 8. now after solving this we will solve our word problem. we will solve our word problem, that is question number B part 1 we will do. see बच्चे in question number B part 1 what is given? Amina bought 3/8 meters of a red ribbon. Amina bought 3/8 of a red ribbon and 1/2 meter of a blue ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon that she bought? क्या है बेटा कि अमीना ने रेड कलर का रिबन खरीदा है, कितना 3/8 मीटर, एंड ब्लू कलर का रिबन कितना लिया है 1/2 मीटर. वी वॉन्ट टू कैलकुलेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रिबन सी बाउट. द लेंथ ऑफ द रिबन सी बाउट. ओके, here what will you do? You will write length of red ribbon is equals to 3/8. length of blue ribbon is equals to 1/2 meter. बच्चे now total length of ribbon is what? total length of ribbon is equals to 3/8 plus 1/2, that is the length of the red ribbon plus length of blue ribbon, that is length of red ribbon plus length of blue ribbon is the total length of the ribbon bought by Amina. see बच्चे here the given fractions are unlike fractions, so LCM is 8. you have to calculate the LCM of 8 and 2, and the LCM we get 8. now divide this with this 8. so बच्चे you can see 8 1 जा 8, 1 into 3 you get 3, plus 2 4 जा 8, 4 into 1 give you 4. so 7/8 meter is the length of the ribbon. okay, question B part 2 we will solve. Raj ate 1.5 apples while Vicky ate 3/4 of an apple. How many apples did they eat? बच्चे what is given? In question it is given that Raj ate 1/2 apple while Vicky ate 3/4 of an apple. Okay, we have to calculate how many apple both the boys eat. see बच्चे apples eaten by Raj is equals to 1/2. apple eaten by Vicky is equals to 3/4. total apples eaten is equals to 1 होल 1/2 प्लस 3/4। बच्चे जो टोटल एप्पल ईटन वो कितना होगा, जितना राज ने खाया प्लस विक्की ने खाया। तो हम क्या करना है, हमें 1 होल 1/2 प्लस 3/4 को ऐड करना है। सी बच्चे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. See बच्चे 2 1 जा 2, 2 plus 1 3, तो we get 3/2 plus 3/4 and we can see both the fraction have different denominator, so we have to take the LCM of the denominator to make the denominator same. So बच्चे I will do it here. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now see 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. First of all, what you have to do, you have to divide this 4 with this 2, 2 2s are 4, and that 2 you have to multiply with this 3. Okay बच्चे, we get 6 plus 4 1 जा 4, 1 into 3 you get 3. So बच्चे your answer is 9/4, but it is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. You get 4 2s are 8, 1 left and this is 4. It means that 2 whole 1/4 apples are eaten by both the boys. After solving this question, we will do the last part of this question, that is question number 3. In question number 3, what is given? In question number 3, Ali read 1/8 of a book on Monday, 1/4 of the book on Tuesday, and 1/2 of the book on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did he read during these 3 days? There is a boy named Ali. He read book on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and the fraction of the book read by Ali is given. Okay, we have to add that fraction so that we get how much book here is read by Ali. Okay बच्चे, now see what will you do? Book read by Ali on Monday is equals to 1/8. Book read by Ali on Tuesday is equals to 1/4. Book read by Ali on Wednesday is equals to 1/2. Book read by Ali in 3 days is equals to 1/8 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. बच्चे you can see all the 3 fractions have different denominators. So first of all we have to calculate the LCM of the given denominator so that we get the common denominator, and we know the LCM of 8, 4 and 2 is 8. Now we have to divide this common denominator with the denominator. So see here 8 1 ja 8, 1 into 4, sorry 1 into 1 is 1 plus 4 2 ja 8, 2 into 1 you get 2 plus 2 4 are 8, 4 into 1 you get 4, and the answer is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7/8. It means that Ali reads 7/8 part of book in 3 days. But what we have done? We have done here, we have added all these 3 fractions, and these 3 fractions are in the form of unlike fraction because denominator is different. So we calculate the LCM of these 3 denominators, that is our 8. After calculating the LCM, we write LCM as our common denominator. After this what we have done, हमने इस denominator से इस LCM जो कि आपका common denominator बन चुका है इसको divide किया. 8 1 जा 8, 1 quotient you get, and with that quotient you have to multiply this numerator. 1 into 1 1. Now 4 2s are 8, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 into 1 is 4, and you add it, you get 7/8. Hope all these concept of the this exercise is clear to you, and you will solve other remaining questions on the basis of these questions. Thank you students.